What's up, YouTube? So I just got done introducing the buses to the pressure washer, and the Thomas still looks pretty bad. I got to get up on the roof with a broom or a big brush, but the Bluebird's back out here, which means it's moved recently. 5:45's in. She's doing good. You can see it down there. It's nice and dry. Oh yeah. So, and there's been a couple other cool things we've done to her. So you can see she's still kind of drying, but yeah, underneath all that nast that was on the back of it, it's actually a pretty clean bus. So come back with some school bus yellow and start shooting her up. I'm gonna do the roof white still, so, but the only thing that sucks is, yeah, I got a little carried away here and shot this while there's still dirt on the side of the bus, so that's a forever sealed in, so I just need to go over it with some paint a little bit more, but it's nice and clean, no more mildew and shit up on the roof. So, and there's another bonus, so let's crank her up. So I didn't finish putting the doghouse in, so it's still kind of loose, but check this out. I got brakes again. No nasty light, no nothing. So, how's about we go for a quick spin? We've got, we're spinning the tires a little bit. That's not good. Be gentle. Muddy there. We just got rain, so all right. First gear, second gear, and this transmission in the cool bus back in the day in the Thomas, you could never hear the second gear whine. If you notice, it's whining in second gear, so that's pretty cool. Let's get these cows out of the way. Come on, cows. Get out of the way. We got a calf here. A baby. Alright. So, but yeah, we got good brakes. Really good brakes. So, hopefully there's no cops because I'm running without license plates or insurance, but first gear. Second gear. Adjust the modulator cable on this because it's used to winding up to 3,500 RPMs in the Thomas with the 7.3. So that's an easy fix. Fourth gear. We got down to third gear. Wasn't going fast enough. Man, that sun's bright. Fourth gear. Yeah. Get her wound up a little bit more. There's fourth gear. And now we stay in fourth gear. So, like I said, it's just a modulator adjustment. I'm gonna set you up here for right now. Way you can watch while I have both hands on the wheel, because I'm going to need to turn into a neighborhood up here. It's kind of funny because when we test drove this the other night, after we put everything in, turn signals didn't want to work. Second gear. They just painted yellow lines on this road too. Nice. Yeah, notice the transmission winds really well in second gear. So we got a car coming. I'm gonna do a 3-pointer here. I'm gonna pull the left back straight up, and then we'll go back to the ranch. That sun is ridiculously bright. Oh, we got a moth in here. Okay. Still don't have a backup beeper hooked up on this yet. Alright, backing her up. Yeah, notice the brake pedal sounds like it did in the first driving video. You can hear it kind of whistling a little bit. Yeah, that second gear sounds really, really awesome. I was really worried because this transmission, like I said, never did that when it was in the Thomas. So maybe it was just the 7.3 that drowned out the noise, but it's so nice to be able to retain that second gear sound. So first gear, second gear, third gear, I got to adjust this modulator so it'll shift sooner. That's a really easy fix. It's on the firewall. It's just a two-sided bolt. But as you see, we're cruising in fourth gear. Well, third gear now. Fourth gear. Like I said, the shifting schedule will get fixed once I adjust the modulator. It'll shift better. But as you can see, this transmission sat for 6 years because it basically got wrapped up in a big garbage bag and sat in my garage to keep the elements out of it after I made the Thomas a stick shift. So this transmission only has 50,000 miles on it. So there's our cows again. Yes, run in front of the bus. Good job. As you can see, she's still a good running machine. So maybe I'll stop and let's do like we did that one first shifting video. Let's get out and set our parking brake and put her in neutral. We'll open the door and just for fun, I'll put some red warning lights on. Put some headlights on too. So, yeah, there you go. I'm thinking, I don't know what you guys think, but maybe I'm almost tempted to get an older IH grill for this, where it has the word International across the top, right here, instead of having the Navistar logo, even though it's an 88. The bus that I originally wanted to get from this company that was just like this was a 83 Bluebird International that I drove back in the day with a 9-liter instead of a DT 360. So it would have had the narrower back door and the belt line lights. The brake reverse turn signal lights were up higher. So, but she still looks good. She's a little filthy on the inside. Somebody had asked me to open the back door so they could hear the buzzer, but I need to mop it out. And this right here is the hole where the reverse light beeper was, the backup beeper. That's where it was mounted, right here. So I don't know if I'm gonna mount it there again or if I'm gonna mount it somewhere else, but yeah, so there she be, ladies and gentlemen. She's still sounding great. But anyway, thanks for watching.